Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog and to my channel. And for today's video guys, unbox tayo ng all Rockstone male XLR to female XLR guys. So ayan, samahan niyo ko guys. So guess what guys, ayan, may mga abang-abang na itong dalawang nito guys. I-unbox din natin yan guys. Audio isolator and ano to guys, yung black, red, gold TS to 3.5 yan. Pero ito, uunahin natin itong ating unbox today guys. Kinama ko lang yan sa for today's video. Ang ating powered by Rockstone. Yan siya Rockstone, okay. Then ito guys ang ating flex ko lang guys, and for today's video male XLR to silver guys. May black tayo niyan, may black silver. Male XLR to female XLR guys. Connected, maganda siya sa for amplifier and processor guys, kasi pinagawa ko kay ProLAN audio cable. Ano lang siya guys, half meter lang siya guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go guys. Have a blessed morning to everyone. Another Rockstone guys, powered by Rockstone. So ayan na siya mga ka-Rockstone, okay. Iayos natin ng ano para maganda yung half meter lang to siya guys, half meter. Abang-abangan nyo guys yung ating unbox na bibitinin ko muna. Iunahin lang natin to. Ayan guys, female to male half meter guys, ordered by Budog Light and Sounds Rental guys ng Paranaque. Ayan, so ang ating partner in business guys. So ayan, ProLAN audio cable yan. So just comment lang down below guys kung mga interested kayo sa aking YouTube channel Janly TV. Nagre-range siya ng estimated price guys is 285 guys yung kanyang range, estimated ano guys price. Ayan na siya guys, okay. So kung naibigan nyo to guys, ayan, just comment lang down below sa ating mga ka-Rockstone dyan, mga naghanap po ng mga high quality XLR connector, PL, TS, TRS or 3.5 jack millimeter. Siyempre made by ProLAN cable. May ka-shoutout ProLAN Light and Sounds Rental. Siyempre kasama natin Jones Mini Light and Sound ng Rohalian sa ating Sounds and Lights Association Taguig chapter guys. So ayan, yan guys. So muli guys, kung naibigay nyo muli ang ating for today's video, for today's vlog, kaya huwag kalimutan i-subscribe GONLEY TV guys. Siyempre comment lang down below sa mga interested po, mga high-end, any DIY made to order po. Jones Online Shop, 100% legit guys. Mga group natin ng kay Angel Himutia ng Taguig. So pwede nyo kami ipaligay guys. So ayan, pakit na rin po yung ating all bell button para updated po kayo sa aking mga uploaded videos. So ayan, thank you so much for watching and God bless everyone.